Which one? Alright, so we got random, okay, island, some kind of weird bitch place,
That's a church.
Area 51, whatever, Founders Hall, Chateau,
Museum.
that looks creepy.
Chateau looks creepy.
It's a forest.
Just do random.
Yeah, dude.
No, because what if we get Chateau? Wait, fuck! Wait.
Just do random.
Okay, I have to press space to start it.
Do
Not
it.
even enter. Alright, ready? Ah!
3, 2, 1. Oh shit!
Run! Run!
Ugly.
Wait, look at me, Daniel, wait, okay,
Running!
okay, wait. Alright, here, alright. Okay, who's Velma? Here, I'm peeking it, here.
This game is ugly.
Okay, who's doing that?
Boo.
Okay, so Zane is Velma, alright, and Daniel,
I'm the dude.
you're an ugly ass bitch.
Do you hear whispering? Hold on.
Oh god, I see blood.
But
Here, we always have to peek behind us.
look at that.
Oh god!
Let's look at it.
Wait, what is that? Oh, there's a bunch of them.
Bah.
Do you hear that shit? No, it's... Do you hear it?
I do hear it also.
Oh, I hear radiation or something, dude. My Geiger... Hang on.
Let's read this shit.
We need to stay together.
Olmec colossal head.
I can't read that
Can't
shit.
fucking read that. Come on.
Oh shit.
I can't even hear what the fuck he's saying!
There's that one guy on Overwatch.
Hang on. Oh, damn it, guys. Wait,
You hear that?
I hear it. Bro, I'm about to fucking
Oh
quit.
shit, this one's missing a head.
Oh god, he's right there!
Run! I'm gonna be
Wait. Where y'all going? Where y'all going? Wait, why?
Oh,
I feel like I should just run at him.
I was stuck. It sounds
Him?
like we're tap dancing.
You want to show?
Oh, fuck that.
Turn it.
Oh shit, turn off the light! I'm stuck.
Okay. Get out, go. I don't know, like, this isn't even walking speed. Like, this is like knee running on ass speed. Okay, so what does he look like, TL? Is it like a Harambe? Like, maybe it's Harambe's spirit. And we're like, this is the Cincinnati Zoo. Oh yeah, I heard him.
Fuck that! I saw him! He's on
No,
the
you
corner
didn't.
of the right. Go look!
Okay, here, fine, I'll
Go
peek it.
look, pussy! Shit! Oh, I can't change it.
Oh god! Okay, Daniel, we'll watch you. Wait. Wait! We're not, we're not...
There he is.
Go get him. No, he hasn't.
Dude, he does look like Haram.
Oh, okay, you can't stare at him, he gets you.
Are you sure? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hey, hold up,
Get
hold
him.
up. Stop! Fuck, come back! Fucking assholes!
Leave Daniel behind.
Get the recorder.
I don't know where it's at.
It's on the fucking black.
Oh, here it is. Wait. We can't kill him, he went down.
Tell us something we don't know, dumb ass. We have flashlights.
What is that green thing?
What's that? What? What is that?
Close. Our screens are getting close.
Oh!
What? Oh! getting in the corner right here.
Why is my shit flickering so bad?
Oh, he's right behind us.
Is he? Oh, fuck!
My god, I went the wrong way.
Dude.
He was behind me.
Found one. Don't listen to this tape.
Bitch, like, what the fuck else am I supposed to listen to? I need clues. Fucking idiot.
Oh, he's right behind us.
Maybe y'all are just like faster than me. Maybe Velma has the fucking wheels or something.
Oh,
Fuck me!
don't know what to do. The green thing.
Okay, do you want to just touch the green thing?
Touch it.
He's right behind us. He is right behind us.
Oh my god. Alright, run to the green thing. Should we? No.
Yeah, do it. Green thing.
What the fuck is this? He jumped on me!
Did I hear a scream?
He jumped on me.
Look.
Are we dead?
Daniel's dead.
Oh! I think I'm the monster.
Daniel's dead.
Wait, I don't know what the fuck is this thing? What am I?
You're
You're like a ghost. You're like ethereal. Like, have you seen the ethereal spirits on Skyrim? That's what you are.
Don't run towards the green thing. You'll turn into me. No, he'll jump on you. Oh, it scared me. Like, what's this called again?
A stretch table.
No, this.
I don't know. A death chamber.
Oh, that's like they put you in as a bunch of spikes in it.
Yeah, I know.
What was that?
That one, they
What's that?
stretch you on that one.
And that's
Oh, what
a
was that?
guillotine.
I just heard something.
Wait,
metal.
Zane, where'd you go?
I'm
Oh.
right here.
What was that?
Gotta beat this. I'm determined to beat.
I hear the green thing in this room.
Yeah, I do too.
Is it the
It's
green
like-
thing
It's
or
on
is
the
it another
fucking
table?
wall. Okay, we haven't been to this area, and I hear yeah, there's a recorder over here.
Okay. I should just heard it because it makes that noise.
Oh no, it's here.
Okay.
Where's it at?
Right there, by the mummy.
One more!
Oh,
Oh my god,
one.
this bitch is big.
this is cool.
That's where we saw him!
Oh!
And we saw him again.
We're like, oh!
Let's oh, got in a circle.
We run backwards. We hit with we juked him out right there.
This is the booger.
That's where Daniel died.
Look at me follow y'all.
Daniel, ethereal Daniel,
Oh, it's over here. Over here. Wait for me.
spirit Daniel, spirit Daniel following
Oh,
us.
we went in a circle again.
What's the? Oh, that's